The Gatffest Film Festival has officially kicked off its 10th anniversary over the weekend. The film festival hosted its opening night, held at the Palace Cineplex in Kingston. The event saw specially invited guests being treated to a red carpet experience before the curtains opened with the screening of 4 films: Lockdown to Rebound, a COVID-19 documentary produced by the University of the West Indies, Mona, and directed by Ika Campbell. There was also A Touch of Sugar and Nice Lady, directed by Vanessa Hanshaw and Kyle Eatler, respectively. They were completed by a special presentation of Yellow Girl and Me, directed by Isabella Issa. The screenings were followed by a post-film conversation with the filmmakers. The Gatffest Film Festival was launched on June 3 and will run to July 2. Dancehall artist Massacre is in celebration mode after he surpassed 100 million streams across all digital platforms. The dancehall DJ shared the exciting news with his fans on social media while announcing that his next album is coming soon. Massacre's latest album, 438, was released in December last year and was well received by fans globally. The project debuted at number 2 on the Billboard Reggae album chart and remained in the top 10 for about 7 consecutive weeks. 438 features star toppers like They Don't Know, Moments featuring Stefflon Don, which is currently trending number 7 on streaming platform YouTube. The album also boasted Pain featuring Popcorn, Vanish with Dexter Daps, and Quality with Sean Paul. Massacre has not released any further details on the upcoming album, however fans are anticipating the release of the new project. On the international scene, K-pop girl group Blackpink made history by becoming the first musical act to reach 75 million subscribers on streaming platform YouTube. The group is the highest charting female Korean act on the Billboard Hot 100, peaking at number 13 with Ice Cream back in 2020, and on the Billboard 200, peaking at number 2 with the album that same year. The 4-member group earned the title of the most subscribed artist on the platform in September 2021 when they topped 65.5 million, taking over the lead from pop star Justin Bieber. They became the first K-pop group to have 20 million subscribers and 1 billion views on a music video in 2019. In 2020, their massive hit, How You Like That, gained over 86.4 million views on the first day, making it the biggest music video debut ever at the time. I'm Daytrain Gordon reporting for ePrime.